Here we have Enoi and her monkey boyfriend. They're not married. Yeah. Now, we must perform some voodoo on her. Are you ready for it? You must dancing when you do this. Now, for the punishment. Notice we have her shirt, so it can actually be connected to her and nobody else. And there's a little monkey over there. I'll deal with him later. But first, to commit the voodoo on Noah, and then we'll do the monkey boyfriend after. But we'll be more savage with him. And we'll see whether it comes true or not. Here we have a Thai magic phallus. And because Noi has hysteria, we have to give her that. Notice how it landed between the legs, and that's what she likes. And next, we won't get a bit carried away with this. We won't do too much, but here we go. It looks like the monkey will wake up tomorrow with a very hurting all his body. And Noi will just be wanting more and more and more. Hysteria will get more bad. Oh yeah.